In this video, we will share with you 11 tips to strengthen your weak hair roots. Number 1. Sulfate-free shampoo. Shampoo that contains harsh chemicals like sulfate may loosen the hair follicles around your roots, and this may cause your hair to fall out more frequently. Look for sulfate additions in the ingredient list on the back of bottles. Replace them with a sulfate-free version. Number 2. Massage scalp. Massage your scalp with your favorite hair oil to promote blood circulation and boost hair growth. Take small amount of oil and rub it over your scalp and gently massage it. Then leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash your hair with shampoo. It will not only moisturize your scalp but will also strengthen your roots to prevent further hair loss. Number 3. Keratin shampoo. Keratin is a protein and is the building block of your hair. It helps to strengthen your hair, add luster, reduces the split ends and frizz. A keratin-infused shampoo smooths your hair and adds protective layer to prevent from further damage. So replace your shampoo with a keratin shampoo to strengthen your hair. Number 4. Hair mask. A hair mask is also a great way to strengthen your hair. It deeply moisturizes your hair and reduces hair breakage and damage. The healthy nutrients in natural masks promote healthier scalp and makes your hair stronger. Use hair mask once or twice a week according to your hair health. Number 5. Use warm water instead of hot water. Washing your hair with hot water during winters can make your hair look dry, brittle and damaged, as it can strip away natural oils from your hair. It can also promote hair thinning and hair fall. Experts advise to use warm water to avoid hair damage. Number 6. Wash hair once or twice a week. Washing hair daily can make your hair weaker and makes it dry and brittle due to harsh chemicals. So you should wash your hair once or twice a week. Number 7. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling your hair can make your hair dry, brittle and damaged. It can also lead to split ends and hair breakage. Try to avoid using heat appliances and style your hair without damaging them. Boost vitamin intake. Nutrients are important for your hair health. Take vitamin A, B, C and E supplements to strengthen your hair and make it lustrous. Continued usage of these supplements will make your hair stronger, longer and healthier. Quit dyeing your hair. Dyeing your hair more often can make your hair dry, damaged and even prone to hair fall. It can also reduce the natural oils from your hair and weakens the hair roots. You can dye your hair once in a 6 months and stop immediately if you already have damaged hair. Number 10. Eat balanced diet. Eat variety of foods and include fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet. Eat from all food groups to ensure that you are getting all the nutrients from your diet. Number 11. Drink more water. Drink 8 to 9 glasses of water daily to make your hair stronger from root to tip. It also reduces dry, brittle hair and makes them lustrous and healthy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.